Balen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out for today's vlog. So we were invited to come and check out yung first ever Sha-Wraps store dito po sa Pampanga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cutcut, Angeles City, and at my back, ayan, so that's the store. Actually, na-ready na namin kanina yung pagkain, so we're gonna go straight to our table. I'm gonna show you my food. Kapag shawarma guys, there's always a special place in our heart, diba? So samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Pinrepare nila lahat ng mga products nila. So they have shawarma, burrito, at saka shawarma rice. And then for the flavors, we have chicken, and then meron din tayong beef. I'm gonna start first with their shawarma rice. So eto yon guys, look at that. Actually, alternative to dun sa regular shawarma na wrap. Malaki yung gutom mo, gusto mo talagang mag-rice, ito yung pipiliin mo instead of the wrapped one. Ang bango ng rice nila. Alam mo yung flavor na ang daming spices included dun sa sauce nila, but it's not that stingy na spice, yung hindi manghang, pero it will burst in your mouth. So that was the chicken shawarma rice. Meron pa rin tayo ditong burrito, a combination ng wrap at saka ng rice. There you go. So look at that. Look at that, diba? Okay, let's eat it. You know what I gotta say? Isa sa pinagmamalaki siguro nila dito is yung kanilang sauce. I believe it has like 3 different kinds of sauces, no? 3 klase ng sauce yung nilagay nila dito. So this is the first ever Sharap branch dito po sa Pampanga. It's just along the highway. Kung maririnig nyo guys yung mga sasakyan natin na dumadaan. Sounds good. Ayan. Let's talk about the packaging. It's very neat. It's very clean. Ang tibay pa ng wrap nila. At the same time, hindi ito yung parang messy na pagkakapackage sa mga shawarma. And then what I like about it, it's not dry. It's very, very soft actually. So, you know. Ang sarap ng sauce nila. I don't know what it is, pero it has that a little bit of spiciness. It actually explodes in your mouth. Parang feeling ko nag-expand yung bibig ko, lumalaki yung bibig ko. They do also have juice. Sakali namang, of course, pampatula kumbaga. Lastly, to taste for me is yung pinaka-basic, the shawarma itself. Whoa! Oh, look at that. So, the price starts at 60 pesos for the shawarma. For the burrito, it's 69 pesos. And for the shawarma rice, it's 89 pesos. There you have it, guys. Check them out. You can either, drive through a curbside pickup, or you can message them just in case you want to, negotiate for a delivery. Guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out Sha-Wraps, Angeles City. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Till our next discovery, peace out guys, bye.